Hi, I'm Truman, and I'm going to walk you through how to clear a prerequisite here at Mission College. At Mission College, some classes require a prerequisite, a course or skill you must complete before enrolling in another class. For example, English C1000 is a prerequisite for English 001B, meaning you'll need a grade of C or better in English C1000, formerly known as English 001A, before taking English 001B. If you've already taken a similar class at another college or passed an AP exam, you may be able to skip the prerequisite. For instance, an AP English language or literature score of 3 or higher satisfies the prerequisite for English 001B. You can view all AP equivalencies in our catalog. To request clearance, you'll need to complete the Prerequisite Clearance Form, which can be found on the Placement Center website. Start by entering your name, G0 ID number, and both your college and personal email addresses. List the course you want to enroll in at Mission College. If you're using the same documents to clear more than one class, select Yes. Next, list the prerequisite course or courses you want to clear. Then choose the type of documentation you're submitting. This could be high school work, AP/CLEP scores, college coursework, completed or in progress, or other experience. Enter the name of the school or organization and the specific course or exam to be reviewed. You will also need to add a short explanation. Upload unofficial transcripts or test scores. Make sure your name and school or test agency are clearly visible. You can upload up to 3 files. Click Submit when you're done. You'll typically hear back from the Placement Center within 48 to 72 hours, often within just one day. Clearing a prerequisite allows you to enroll in the course, but it doesn't grant official transfer credit. To receive credit towards your degree, you'll need to submit official documents to admissions and records. For questions or help, contact assessment.center@missioncollege.edu. I hope this helped you know how to clear a prerequisite here at Mission College. Thank you for watching.